Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos. And ngayon, magsasolve tayo ng mass moment of inertia, centroid, parallel axis theorem, then product of area, and also the composite area. This is a statistics of rigid bodies topics, okay? So let's get started. Hi guys, this is the center of gravity or centroid, and we have this figure that we're going to solve. First the triangle, next one is rectangle, and then the parabola. So the solution is triangle, rectangle, and the parabola. So we're going to find the x-bar and the area. So this is we're going to do 2/3 times 4 is equals to 8/3. This 2/3 here is constant, and the 4 is this one. Then the area will be 1/2 base times height is equals to 1/2 times 4 times 2 is equals to 4. And then the rectangle will be 2 and 1/2 times 6 is equals to 5. And the area is BH is equals to 6 times 2 is equals to 12. And then the parabola will be 6 plus 4r is equals divided by 3 pi and is equals to 6.67, and then the area is pi r squared over 2 is equals to pi 1 squared over 2 equals to 1.57. So the next step will be the combination of the x bar and the area. So this is going to do triangle, and then the answer 8/3 times 4 is equals to 10.67. The rectangle 5 times 12 is equals to 60, and then the parabola is equals to 6.67 times 1.57 is equals to 10.47. And then after that, we will going to use the formula of the x bar. X bar is equals to summation of x bar times area, and then summation of area, and then 10.67 plus 60 plus 10.47, since this one is this one. So this one will be this 4, 12, and 1.57. So all over 4 plus 12 plus 1.57 is equals to 10.67 plus 60 plus 10.47 is equals to 81.14 all over 4 plus 12 plus 1.57 is equals to 17.57. Then 81.14 divided by 17.57 is equals to 4.62. So the x bar is 4.62. So guys, the next one will be the parallel axis theorem, and the solution we're going to do is using the formula of I summation of m r squared equals to 6 4 meter squared times 4 equals to 384 kilogram times meter squared, and then the new axis is I new ICM plus md squared is equals to 384 kgm squared plus 6 10 squared equals to 984 kilogram meter squared. So therefore, it is only work if the new axis is parallel to one another. So guys, the next one is composite area, and this will be the solution. And the formula we're going to use is A is equals to length times width, which is the area formula. And then let's apply. A is equals to L times width is equals to 9 times 4 is equals to 36 inches squared. And for the B side, L times width is equals to 3 times 6 is equals to 18 inches squared. And then we're going to combine the A and B to get the total area of this figure. So A plus B is equals to 36 inches squared plus 18 inches squared is equals to 54 inches squared. So letter A will be 36 inches squared, and for B is 18 inches squared. Guys, the next one will be the product of inertia. This is the solution, and the formula we're going to use is Ixy1 is equals to Ix prime y prime 1 plus AD squared. So the Ix1 x1 y1 is 0 plus 12 m squared 1 times 3 squared is equals to 108 m4. So the Ixy2 is equals to Yx prime 2 is equals to I plus A by D2 is equals to 0 plus 12m 1 plus 8 over 2 squared is equals to 304. So let's combine these two. Ixy is equals to Ixy1 plus Ixy2 equals to 108 m raised to the power of 4 plus 3 m raised to the power of 4 is equals to 408 m raised to the power of 4. So hi guys, so this will be the last topic, the
mass moment of inertia. So the problem is determine the mass moment of inertia for the disk about z-axis with a mass of 8 kilogram and a radius of 4 meter. So we're going to find the mass moment in the z-axis. So the formula we're going to use is IZZ is equals to 1/2 times mass times radius squared. So let's substitute the mass and the radius. So this will be the outcome. 1/2. So IZZ is equals to 1/2 times 8 times 4 meters squared is equals to 64 kilogram times meter. That's all for today, guys. So thank you for staying on my video, and I hope you enjoy and gain a knowledge about the topics that I discussed to you. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bye!